Are you tired of spending endless hours manually tightening or loosening fasteners? Well, we've got just a solution for you. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of cordless electric ratchet wrenches. These powerful and versatile tools are designed to make your fastening tasks a breeze. Whether you're a de-enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these cordless wonders will revolutionize the way you work. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Kymo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. This cordless electric ratchet wrench set is a must-have tool for any de-enthusiast or professional mechanic. This powerful and versatile tool is designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. With its compact and cordless design, it offers maximum mobility and convenience. The ratchet wrench set comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable power source. These batteries have a quick charging feature, allowing you to get back to work in no time. The set also includes a charger, so you can easily recharge your batteries whenever needed. Here are some pros. A powerful and versatile tool, compact and cordless design for maximum mobility, quick charging lithium-ion batteries, variable speed control for customized use, ergonomic and lightweight design for comfortable handling. Cons: may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications, limited torque compared to larger ratchet wrenches. Number 2. ABN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. This is a reliable and efficient tool that can tackle various fastening tasks with ease. Its high-quality construction and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. This ratchet wrench features a powerful motor that delivers optimal performance, allowing you to accomplish your tasks quickly and efficiently. The cordless design provides freedom of movement and eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, giving you the flexibility to work in any location. Here are some pros. Reliable and efficient tool, powerful motor for optimal performance, cordless design for freedom of movement, long-lasting and quick-charging lithium-ion battery, variable speed trigger for precise control, forward-reverse switch for easy direction changes. Cons: may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications, limited torque compared to larger ratchet wrenches. Number 3. S-Long Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The S-Long Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench is a versatile tool that combines power and convenience to simplify your fastening tasks. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a de-enthusiast, this tool will surely become your go-to solution. This ratchet wrench is designed with a compact and lightweight body, allowing you to work in tight spaces effortlessly. The cordless feature enhances its maneuverability, providing you with the freedom to work anywhere without the limitations of cords or power outlets. The ratchet wrench offers variable speed control, enabling you to adjust the speed according to the specific task at hand. This feature guarantees precision and control, whether you're tightening or loosening fasteners. Here are some pros. Versatile and convenient tool, compact and lightweight design for easy handling, cordless feature for enhanced maneuverability, high-performance lithium-ion battery with fast charging capability, variable speed control for precision, LED indicator light for improved visibility. Cons: may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications, limited torque compared to larger ratchet wrenches. Number 4. Pulituo Electric Cordless Ratchet Wrench. The electric cordless ratchet wrench by Pulituo is a reliable and efficient tool that will significantly enhance your productivity in fastening tasks. Its high-quality construction and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. The Pulituo Electric Cordless Ratchet Wrench features a lithium-ion battery that offers long-lasting power. The battery has a quick charging time, ensuring minimal downtime and allowing you to focus on your projects without interruptions. The wrench also comes with an extra battery for continuous use. Here are some pros. Reliable and efficient tool, powerful motor for exceptional performance, cordless design for freedom of movement, long-lasting and quick-charging lithium-ion battery, variable speed trigger for precise control, forward-reverse switch for easy direction changes. Cons: may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications, limited torque compared to larger ratchet wrenches. Number 5. Yaugfin Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The Yaugfin Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench is a versatile and practical tool designed to simplify your fastening tasks. Its compact size, powerful performance, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for both professionals and de-enthusiasts. With its variable speed control, you can adjust the wrench's speed to match the requirements of your specific task. This feature ensures precision and control, whether you're tightening or loosening fasteners. The LED indicator light improves visibility in dimly lit areas, making it easier to work in various environments. Here are some pros. Versatile and practical tool, compact and lightweight, designed for easy maneuverability, cordless feature for enhanced mobility, high-capacity lithium-ion battery with quick charging capability, variable speed control for precision, LED indicator light for improved visibility. Cons: may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications, limited torque compared to larger ratchet wrenches. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.